Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Thumbtack app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your password on the Thumbtack app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Thumbtack. Next, click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account, then click on Change Password. So this is where you're going to enter your current password, your new password, and confirm your new password. Then click on Save Password. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your password on the Thumbtack app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.